Good morning. For those of you who don't know, my name is Maya Karen. I run a fashion blog called Classically Kept. It does feature luxury, contemporary, and how to style and now natural hair care. So if you were into any of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click the notification bell. That way you will never miss a video. So today we are going to do, I guess you could say, the biannual closet purge and switch. So here in the Carolinas, we are very much in fall weather. And one of the reasons why I have kind of put this off or why I have postponed this is because since fall started, we have been going cool, hot. But I just want to go ahead and get this out of the way. I have some time. I'm going to be listening to, I found it on YouTube, it's like an R&B holiday medley. So we are going to go ahead and do that. You guys know that I have the IKEA Pax system, and I promise when they stop playing games and I finish, I will give you guys a tour. But I have spoken about this many times before. I have always wanted like an actual room. This is one of our rooms in our house. I've turned it into a cloffice. Basically, it's a closet and also my office space. I have always wanted one of these. It's just something that I have always wanted. But another reason why I like the cloffice or the idea of a walk-in closet is because you see everything that you have. I am very much someone, especially even though I love fashion, I am still very much someone that I can tend to forget what I have. So I like my things to be on display. So really quickly, every single time I do this, like I said, I do it twice a year. So typically just a couple of criteria. The first thing is I'm going to go through each piece with you guys, and I'm going to figure out whether I still like it, whether it still serves me, whether I still love it. And typically the criteria for that is if I did not wear it this past spring and summer, or if I did not wear it last spring and summer, I'm going to put it aside and figure out if I'm going to just, pack it up and give it away. There is no need for me to pack a piece up for next spring and summer if I did not wear it this spring and summer, or if I did not wear it the past spring and summer. Okay, the second thing, or the second criteria is while I'm going through each piece, are there any stains or tears that need to be addressed? I need to figure out for myself, is it worth it or is it time to let it go? The second thing is oftentimes I can, put a piece up and completely forget about it, but I need to figure out as I'm going through each piece, if something needs to be tailored. If it's too big, is it worth it for me to get it taken in, right? Y'all know I have many videos on tailoring. I will link those down below. I will also link down below my other purge videos. Okay, so for purses and shoes, I pretty much keep up with that stuff. I am not buying purses as much as I am buying clothing, right? So all of the purses in my closet, I wear, right? Shoes, I keep up with those as well. So I don't really think there is any that I need to throw out. There are some that I will switch out, and I'll show you when we get into the closet of my cloffice. But let's just go ahead and start right here. Like I said, we're gonna run through it quickly because I don't want to keep you guys long. But I know when I'm looking at something whether or not I've worn it and if I want to keep it. So let me go ahead and move you guys right here, and we're gonna start right here. And you guys have seen this skirt a million times, so we're clearly gonna keep that. And then this is the puff, little puff vest that I just got from Amazon, so we're keeping that as well. All right. And then while I'm going through it, even though, we're still gonna be doing the switching out, but all of these right here, I still wear. We're just gonna put those to the side. And then once we put those to the side and figure out what we are and are not going to keep, then we're going to bring the winter stuff out and replace it, okay? All right, we need to have a conversation about this. This is from Leo and Lynn. You guys have seen this a couple of times. The vision that I had for this has not really come to fruition because the way that it was styled on the website, I thought the white part or like the white, so I thought like the white part came with it. So basically on the website, it was styled with, I think it was like either like a white collared shirt or a white turtleneck. And I really loved that look. But I guess the sizing or how, I guess they pinned it or however they did the editing, it made it look different. When I tried this on, the actual bust, so like your breasts are right here, and then this actually comes like right below your bust, and it just gives this really weird look. This dress was not cheap, even though I got it on sale. So I'm gonna put this to the side and see if I can figure out how to wear this because I really do like the look, but something about the breast area is just throwing me off. So we're gonna put this to the side. This, okay, so while this is a gorgeous corset, I got this from Zara and it still has the tag on it. I tried putting this on over a white collared shirt and it was just giving me bedroom. So we can go ahead and put this up and this will be for another use, but you understand what I'm saying. So we can go ahead and just take this off and we can put this elsewhere. Okay, so really quickly just wanted to show you, so we did the first two cubbies, so that's all of the dresses right there from the summer stuff. So let's go ahead and clear this one out. Okay, I think it's time to give this up. I haven't worn this, I would probably say since we moved into the new house. That's coming up on 3 years, so we can go ahead and give this up. Okay, so here is everything that I have taken out. So I'm going to leave these here. We are now going to go into the closet of my cloffice and I'm going to get all of my like sweater dresses and things and I'm going to put them, of course, like right there, and then also behind me, right? So this is the closet to my cloffice. I just wanted to show you really quickly. Right here, you can see all of these sweaters. And then if I turn, I'm trying to get the best angle. If I turn, you can see how far it goes back. And then just a couple of shoes that I need to switch out. And then some of like my, let me go over here, some of my skirts. So as far as like skirts and sweaters, again, like I said, I'm waiting for the pack system because I actually have an idea of how I want those to look and how I want to style them. They're going to be folded and I also need drawers. But like I said, when IKEA stops playing games, I will give you guys a full tour. So now let's go ahead with these right here. Let's go ahead and start moving stuff. Has basically been switched out. So now we are going to take the summer clothes that are in that chair and we are going to put them in here, okay, on top and on bottom. So as I said before, I'm waiting for the IKEA Pax system to come in. These are basically skirts, so I'm just going to refold them and keep them right there. And then I have like several J. Crew tippy sweaters and just sweaters in general, but I have folded like the really thin ones that I'm going to pull out for fall and winter. So when the IKEA Pax system is done, I will have a drawer and a shelf for those. Something else that I do want to show you, because I did mention this in a video. So if you look, you can see how some of the dresses are coming down way below the rest of the stuff. You can especially see it right here, like that dress and those couple of dresses right there. I'm actually going to take those and put them in the longer dress section, okay? Just to give a little bit of a better look. I mean, me personally, I don't like the way that looks. And then I will go through and figure out what to do. I might switch it and just do skirts. So I'm thinking about switching it and just doing like skirts and then tops and then doing dresses. I plan to add 2 to 3 more just like pack systems. I want this to go all the way around the room. And then of course I want something for my jewelry, right? Of course we have to showcase the jewelry. You guys know that I love statement jewelry. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. I'm going to move these dresses from this, I'm thinking this dress and then a few of these, let it focus, those dresses, and then move them over there. We'll do that, and then I'll figure out whether or not I want to change it all the way around or just keep it how it is right now. Okay, so everything has been switched out. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but especially the long dresses, they're like kind of flared out. That is because whoever built this house decided to put a bar right there or a shelf right there. I'm actually in the process of having someone remove that, and I might just go ahead and redo this closet. But these shoes right here, I'm just going to switch out. We have a pair of boots, Uggs, we have some Chelsea boots, and then we have those Coat Gaia boots. I'm just literally going to take those and I am going to put them right here. So I'm going to switch some of these out and I'm just going to put those right there. Okay, so everything is basically done. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 of the pack system has clothes, and then 1 has purses, and then 1 has shoes. As I said earlier, I'm trying to add 2 to 3 more units. These are packed to the brim. I can still see things, but I want to be able to see them a little bit more. So with that being said, when it comes to like coats and things like that, you will notice that there are no coats in the pack system. They're just very bulky. So this sweater, not sweater, but this vest that I got from Amazon and a coat like this, I'm actually going to utilize our guest room closet and put stuff in there because there's nothing in there but coats and David's uniforms. So I'm going to put stuff like this in there. And then of course, as the IKEA pack systems are added, these things will be able to be spread out more and I'll be able to see them even more. And another thing, when it comes to the purge, when I first did this video, I think this is my 3rd or my 4th one, but I'm noticing that as I am doing these videos, as I'm doing the purging and as I'm switching them over, I am throwing out less and less because I have really honed in on my style. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, we're only throwing out 4 pieces. And then that plaid dress that I showed you, I'll play around with that, but those other 3 pieces like that very sheer polka dot and maxi dress definitely has to go. Like I said, I have not worn that, I would probably say, since we moved into the new house. But other than that, everything is done. I know I said earlier that I was going to see if I wanted to do like in each pack system, and the first one right here was I going to do like skirts and then tops and then dresses, and then maxi dresses over there. I think I'm going to leave it like this just for now. When the other things come in, I'll be able to even organize it even more. And for something like this is actually quite fun to me, you know, because again, I'm able to look at things and I might pick this up with this and say, hey, a new outfit. I turn music on and I just kind of go to work. But like I said, I didn't want this video to be too long. This is just my process. If you have any questions about my process, or if you want like a more in-depth explanation, like I break down everything literally, I can do that. But I just kind of wanted to give you an overview of how I do it. If you have any questions about that, if you have any questions about the IKEA Pax system, leave them down below. I just want to remind you that here on YouTube, I do upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And of course, right here or right here, I'll put my Instagram handle. Thank you so much. Oh, and I will do a pan. I will do a pan so you can see how it looks now. But thank you so much for hanging out with me, you guys. Bye.
Always have it coming.